Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam Chat not connecting. Steam Chat allows you to communicate with friends, join group chats, send messages, and receive invitations while you are gaming. However, sometimes you may open Steam and notice that your friends and chat section is not connecting, shows you as offline, or prevents you from sending messages. This issue can happen because you are not signed in to the Friends network, your Steam status is set to offline or invisible, or your chat connection has not been properly established. Fortunately, there are several simple steps you can take to get Steam Chat back online and restore communication with your friends. The first thing you should do is open your Friends and Chat window. Launch Steam and look at the lower right corner of the Steam client. Click on Friends and Chat. This opens the Steam Chat window where you can see your friends list, conversations, and current connection status. If the chat window shows that you are currently offline or disconnected, click the Sign In button. This reconnects your account to the Steam Friends network and allows your chat services to become active again. Once you are signed in, check your current online status. At the top of the Friends and Chat window, click the small drop-down arrow next to your profile name. You will see several status options including Online. Your friends can see that you are active, send you messages, and invite you to games. This is the status you should select if you want your Steam Chat to connect normally. Away. You remain connected to Steam Chat, but your status tells friends that you are temporarily inactive. Invisible. You can use Steam and chat features while appearing offline to other users. Offline. You are disconnected from the Friends network and cannot receive or send chat messages normally. Do not disturb. You remain online but receive fewer interruptions, and your friends know you do not want to be disturbed. Select Online if you want your chat to connect and function normally. After changing your status, wait a few moments for Steam to reconnect to the Friends network. You should then see your friends list load, your status appear as online, and your messaging features become available. It is important to understand that Steam Chat connection issues can occur due to different reasons, including being signed out of the Friends network, having your status set to offline, temporary Steam Friends service problems, connection interruptions between Steam and its servers, temporary Steam client glitches. A common mistake many users make is assuming Steam Chat is broken when they are simply signed out or have their status set to offline. Another common mistake is selecting Invisible thinking it disconnects the chat. Invisible mode keeps you connected to Steam Chat but hides your online status from your friends. To summarize, fixing Steam Chat not connecting begins by opening Friends and Chat from the bottom right corner of Steam and clicking Sign In if you are disconnected. Once connected, click the drop-down arrow beside your profile name and make sure your status is set to online instead of offline. Understanding the different status options can also help you control how you appear to friends while keeping your chat connection active. These steps can quickly restore your friends' network connection and allow you to send messages, receive invitations, and communicate with other players again. And that's how to fix Steam Chat not connecting. By signing into the Friends network, selecting the correct online status, and understanding your Steam present settings, you can solve many common chat connection problems and get back to talking with your friends without interruption. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.